quick review of the 2019 Can-Am Maverick X3 XRS. So we'll talk about some of the things that we like and what we don't like. On this model I have a list of accessories that we've put on this. Put on rock sliders, put on the rock knocker mud flaps. We've also put on a set of rock blocks, extended fender flares. This is a newer product that they've come out with if you already have the OEM extended fender flares on the machine. We've also added a soft enclosure kit, which is pretty good. Keeps everything nice and dry. So we'll walk around here. We've temporarily put a light on here till I figure out where I'm going to put this for now. This is just a 10-inch. It's got the full windshield accessory with wiper. We've also installed heat from Ice Crusher. Again, the rock blocks. Also mounted a fire extinguisher on the outside using roll cage clamps, and the particular fire extinguisher is a 2.5 pound with a metal bracket, which is to screw this on. And something unique that we have here, as we all know that space is very limited on the Maverick X3 as it is, and most of the storage boxes that they carry, you can barely put anything in it but some gloves and a few odds and ends. So what we've also done is just bought from Home Depot a storage bin for $10 or $11, and we've installed link box connectors from the inside so it's nice and secure. Put a strap on it just for a little extra measure. Also a spare tire carrier, and this is from AFX. It's pneumatic, and I know a lot of you, when you have the snorkel setup system, which we have here, that you can't find a proper tire carrier that's going to allow you to have storage. It's either you put the tire in the storage bin, or you have to install the extra bumper and rack and lose a lot of storage. This way, this pneumatic tire carrier, it's up and out of the way. You'll see here at the back we have a reverse camera off of Amazon. Goes to a head unit. It's a wired unit, and it also records both in reverse as well as forward, and you get the choice of how you wire up your camera and how you'd like it to record for you, both front and back at the same time. Again, the snorkel kit. So that's pretty much it for the accessories. You can have a look inside here and you'll see we've put a few bags and things, and you'll see the head unit here for the reverse camera for backing up. And we haven't figured out the storage bags yet. So now, some of the things that I don't like about this machine, obviously, is it's terrible for backing up, hence why we put the backup camera in. The plastics, they're great. They're great to keep you dry and clean. However, if you're on a hot day, you want to turn these down, it doesn't go all the way down. So this is, to me, in my opinion, from Can-Am, is a design flaw. So we'll probably see a fabricator at some point and put a zipper to continue this down, or maybe even completely all around so we can take the whole plastics out. The mirrors, we've added those on too. Aluminum roof. Other than that, I can't complain. It's handled very well so far. It's past its broken period. And that's about it for now. If you have any comments or questions for us, please feel free to post those below and we'll respond as best we can. And please like and subscribe to Frank and Gord's Excellent Off-Road Adventures. There will be other videos that you can check out all our accessories with explanations of how they work and where we got them. Thanks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell for alerts to get notifications of our next video.